The city that never sleeps. At any budget. New York City. The energy, the excitement, the endless possibilities. It's a place that calls to everyone. Whether you're a backpacker on a budget or a traveler with champagne wishes and caviar dreams. But can you really experience the magic of New York City on just $100 a day? Absolutely. Is it also amazing to experience the city with $1,000 a day? You bet! So, come on, let's grab our Metro cards, and I'll show you how to fall in love with New York, no matter your budget.
Living it up in the lap of luxury. Okay, now let's dream a little bigger. With $1,000 a day, New York City becomes your oyster, and trust me, you'll want to order everything on the menu. Imagine waking up in a luxurious suite overlooking Central Park. After enjoying a decadent room service breakfast, why not indulge in some retail therapy at the city's most exclusive boutiques? From designer fashion to rare antiques, New York is a shopper's paradise. For lunch, treat yourself to a world-class dining experience at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Let the sommelier guide you through an exquisite wine pairing and savor every bite of culinary artistry. In the afternoon, immerse yourself in the city's cultural treasures. Catch a matinee performance on Broadway or explore the masterpieces at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. As the day winds down, head to a rooftop bar for handcrafted cocktails and panoramic city views. End your evening with a gourmet dinner at one of the city's hottest restaurants, where every detail is designed to impress.
Finding your own New York story. So, whether you're exploring the city on a shoestring budget or living it up in style, remember that New York City has something for everyone. It's a place where dreams are made of, and every corner holds the promise of adventure. The key is to embrace the city's energy, diversity, and endless possibilities. Don't be afraid to get lost in the crowd. Try something new and create your own unique New York story. After all, the best souvenirs are the memories you make along the way. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to experience New York City? Share your tips and stories in the comments below. Who knows, you might just inspire someone else's next adventure.